Okay, today I am using a Singer, I think it's 127, well, smaller version of the 27. It is an electrified version of a old Tradle type of sewing machine. I believe this one, I'd have to look it up, was made in the 1940s. It does have the, oh goodness, I can't remember the type of finish, but it is a bumpy black finish, and it is all original. The motor is attached to the back. It does have a, apparently I burned out the light, a light attached to the back, and it does get quite hot. So it is one of those where when I am sewing with this, I have to turn it on and off, and apparently now I don't have to worry about it because the light is dead. You can find online replacement bulbs. You just have to Google and see. It is one of my favorite ones. It is actually one of the transportable, or modular, or what is that called? Anyways, and it has a box, and the box does need a little bit of repair. Like one of the latches actually broke off the top of the box, so I will have to fix that. I found it at a thrift store. I think it was only for like $5 or $10, and it works beautifully, and I love using her. She is so much fun. I do a lot of restoring of old sewing machines, Tradles, motorized, etc. Our lighting is horrible because it is finally sunny out, but the sun is reflecting off of all the snow, and no matter where I go with the phone, it is still got a bit of a glare. So I do apologize for that. One of the things I do want to do this year is make curtains for our windows. That's, farther down to the to-do list. So I wanted to, oh, that's why she's not working for the light, because it came unplugged. There we go. So what I am doing today is I'm actually repairing one of my new work shirts, because apparently for large women's work shirts, the sleeves are like tiny little straws, and my arms are just not tiny. They are not. So I am including basically an expansion. I had to split the inseam on the sleeve, and I'm sewing in a panel, so that way it is the extra like 3 inches that my arm needs. So I just thought I would video it today just to show you how this gal works. She is beautiful. I love her. But I'm also watching TV, so I'm going to probably mute it. I wanted to show you. I did do one panel. I have not pressed it, and I know the edge is not straight, but I am not a perfectionist. So this is what the panel looks like. It doesn't quite match, but it does the job. It's pretty close. It's a lighter blue rather than the darker navy, but it will work for me. So I'm going to turn the TV on so I can watch my video, and I will probably overlap this with music. So thank you, and hopefully you find this interesting. This one does not have a reverse on it, so you do have to lift this and flip it around once you start. I do hold the tails just so I know where I'm at, and I do sink at least the first stitch in where I want it. There we go. go. And we are done. Not bad. Not bad at all. Man, that light. There we go. Very nice, even stitching, a little larger than what I would have liked, but it works. All right, everybody, have a wonderful day.